Hey guys, if you've been thinking about switching to an eSIM, or maybe you're traveling soon and want to avoid the stress of dealing with physical SIM cards, then this video is for you, as I'm going to show you exactly how to install and activate an eSIM on your iPhone in just a few minutes. It's super simple. I've done it myself using Saily during my recent trip to Thailand, as well as many other countries. Okay, so before installing your Saily eSIM, the first thing that you'll want to do is check if your iPhone supports an eSIM. Most newer iPhones do, but some older models might not, so it is a good idea to just double check. You'll also need to make sure that your phone is unlocked, meaning it can use an eSIM from any provider. To verify this, you'll go to Settings, then click on General, then click on About, and scroll down to Carrier Lock. If it displays no SIM restrictions, your phone is unlocked. If your phone is carrier locked, you might only be able to install an eSIM from your current provider. So checking this first will save you time before starting the installation process. Next, download the Saily app from the App Store and open it up. From there, you'll choose your destination, pick a data plan that works for you, and follow the setup instructions. The app takes you through the setup process step by step, making it quick and easy. Once you're all set up, there's nothing else to worry about. Just activate your eSIM before your flight, and when you arrive at your destination, it'll automatically connect to the local network, keeping you connected right when you land. Plus, you only need to install the Saily eSIM once, so for any future trips, all you have to do is buy a new plan and you're good to go. It's a set it and forget it kind of thing, making your travel experience a lot simpler. And if you ever run into an issue, Saily's customer support is available 24/7 to help you out. So after using Saily on a few trips, I have to say the setup was super simple and took just a few minutes. And what I loved is that I didn't even need to change out my physical SIM card, which if you've ever tried without that tiny SIM tray tool, you know how annoying it can be. I mean, I've broken plenty of earrings trying to pop it out in the past. But with Saily, there's no need for that. You just install it once and you're good to go. So to wrap up this video on how to install and activate your Saily eSIM on iPhones, I have to say it's a super simple process. The setup is quick, the connection is reliable, and you don't have to deal with physical SIM cards or expensive roaming fees, which makes it a great option for iPhone users. And so if you decide to give Saily eSIM a try, you can use the affiliate link that I left down in the description below. Just download the Saily app and use the code GVUTech at checkout for an exclusive discount. Anyway, that's it for this video. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please hit that like button and subscribe for more videos like this one. And if you have any questions, please don't hesitate to let me know down in the comments below, and I'll try to get to them as soon as possible. Other than that, thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Have a great day.